Hi, EZmath&science is back for another tutorial. So today I'm going to be talking about operations with functions, especially rational functions. So I received a question about how to perform the addition and division of these two functions. So that's what I'm going to be covering. But before, I want to say that a rational function is actually anything that can be expressed as a fraction or ratio, any function. So if you have anything that presents itself as a over b, a will be a function. It can be constant as well, as long as b is a function with variables. So that will be a rational function. So now that we know what a rational function is, I'm going to be covering the specific questions that I was asked. So first of all, we're going to find, the question was asked this way: find f plus g of x. Before I do it, I want to say that f plus g of x is actually equal to f of x plus g of x. So this is the same thing. Either you are asked this way or that way, you would know what to do. So to add this to function, this will be 3x plus 1 over 7x minus 1 plus 5x over 7x minus 1. If you notice here, these two functions have the same denominator. Therefore, if we were to add two fractions with the same denominator, we just keep the denominator and we add the numerators. So that's what we're gonna do here. So this will be equal to 7x minus 1, and we would add the like terms. So 3x will be added to 5x, and 1, there's no other constant term on that numerator, so plus 1 will stay by itself. So we're gonna have 8x plus 1. So that is the result of f of x plus g of x, or if you want to say f plus g of x. And I was asked to find the domain of this function. As I explained in my last video, I already said what the domain is, so I'm just gonna go and solve it. The domain of this function would be x, so that x is different, like all the value for x except for x different from 1 over 7. Sorry. Why x needs to be different from 1 over 7 is because if I replace 1 over 7 in the function, in the denominator we'll have 7 times 1 over 7 minus 1, and this will cancel, and then we'll have 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. As I told you, 0 in the denominator will be an undetermined function, so you wouldn't want that. That is why x needs to be different from 1 over 7. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna cover the next part of the question in another video. Bye.